Uh-oh. Slow down. Hold on. Hold on.
I'm trying to turn us.
Push off. There we go. Sorry.
It's okay. Doing the best that we can.
Take a break. Got a little bit of a rhythm going. We're good.
Oh God.
What?
I want to make sure we go to the rear, right?
We can. Hold on. Do this hit first. Do this. Oh, hold on. Slow down.
Doesn't matter if we go to the rear. Good.
All right, rest for a second. We got a little bit of a.
What?
Just rest. Give yourself a break. Baby.
Turn us so everyone can fuck up now. We can't rest too much.
Is my thing on? Is my camera on?
Yes.
Okay. Got it, baby.
I want to hear him, yo.
Yep. And I get it. I can't stop. We're going to the left. Turn right.
Okay, I'm turning my left. I'm turning my left.
No, right.
Oh God. How do I do it?
I don't understand what is going on.
Do nothing. Do nothing. You do nothing.
I'm trying to help us turn.
No. Okay, now forward. Go.
That was 4 miles.
I don't know what that was. Oh Lord.
Yeah, start paddling or we all miss this.
Paddle. Uh-oh. Hold on. This is frustrating.
Go.
It's getting on my nerves right now.
Go.
I guess we're not going because I don't know.
Go all the way down.
Babe, you can't be moving that much. You know.
I can't be moving. What are you talking
No,
about?
like we almost fell. Sorry.
Go further in.
Ah. Huh?
We're trying.
This is the hardest one to hit.
Yeah.
Okay. And we're trying to get out now, right?
Let me,
Thank you so much.
I got an idea. If you stay right there.
Yeah.
Actually, no, go and come on up here now that you're
All right.
Pull this up. Name of the game is gather. You go get on the other side of this rainbow.
The other side of here? Uh-oh.
I need that nose over here.
All right.
There you go.
Getting there.
Get there. Get there. Now go and pull that rudder away from you. Keep pushing it back behind your boat.
Like this, right?
No, I mean the screen boat. Get the screen boat behind you.
This behind us.
I need you on this boat right here. There you go. Look